2020, 2021 were really the years of CEO proclamations and pledges. 2022, 2023 is heads of operations delivering on those commitments.
At LNS Research, our goal, the reason we exist, is to empower you, empower transformation leaders so that you can transform your organization. Transformation is difficult. It's not just about having the right tools and technologies, but it's changing the hearts and minds of people.
And it's that genesis of the way to think about things differently that give you new ideas that help you transform so that you don't get stuck behind the event horizon of your own ignorance or arrogance, depending on what fits your industry, right? And you are able to change yourself from within.
Digital transformation is seen as the single biggest lever you can pull. This is a way to change the game.
Rather than creating a digital strategy for the business, we're creating a business strategy for a digital world. And it's leading with this mindset that enabled Pfizer to move with speed never seen in our industry.
We have to look at change the way we plan, the way we deliver, and the way we manufacture. That's what this digital transformation is about. As your business evolves, how do you change with it? How do you stay relevant?
What I like to think about when I come to different events or I meet peers, what can I learn from others? I'm looking for holes in our existing strategy that others have solved for. We're learning from our own experiences and the experiences of others about how to scale and scale fast. We can leverage partners like LNS to guide us on that path, to help show us things that maybe we're blind to.
The most valuable thing that I got out of this event so far has just been the collaborative conversations between different partners within the industry. I'll definitely be here next year.
This has been an outstanding event. We meet actual executives with real responsibilities who have straight talk. They sit together, they have honest, hard conversations. This is a classic high-quality event. So it's very curated. Everybody here has extremely good points of view to share. I promise you, you're going to get a ton out of this.
At this year's event, we will be presenting our new groundbreaking research on Pathfinders, benchmarking the journey of the world's most productive companies. You will learn how these outliers and visionaries have transformed their businesses and are achieving zero harm, zero waste, zero net carbon, and step change productivity gains, with the specific recommendations on how to apply these learnings to your own business. I hope to see you in Chicago on October 17th, 18th, and 19th.